need to get to my car, you guys. I stole these $600 shades. I need to get to my car.
I make it rain like a shower beat. Yo, got my Andy cutting, watch me make
snuck away. Oh Lord. Oh, okay. No, I need to go. I need to get to my car. I need to get to my car, you guys. I stole these $600 shades. I need to get to my car. Look at my dude talking about, can I follow you to your car? First of all, no. You're a freaking creep. I get it. She say, let me walk you to your car. You say, I'm tired because I ran. You say, can I follow you to your car? No. No, you freaking creep. Bro, I just want some food. Please give me some food. I just want some food. I need to go home and get in the bed. Honestly. I think I'm gonna get my own food. And I got these $600. Hey, y'all see my $600 little glasses? They not shades. They glasses. $600. Yep. Now I do want to get some food though. I don't want no Waffle House type of stuff. I don't want no breakfast. I do want some food though. I'm still tired for one. Okay, guys, I did buy another car today. I did buy a new car. So yes, I am in my new car. I mean, it's nothing, but point A to point pop up to the left. Point A to point B. Yeah. So like, y'all know how like fast food places be open when the club closed. Like, nigga, it is nothing open. Whataburger and Waffle House. Whataburger, if you know, you know. Ain't nobody got time for that. Other than that, I'm just gonna, like, I'm literally just going home. Like, I can find some heat at home. It's cold though. It's cold. I can't believe Texas is cold. Like, that's how you know, like, something going on with the system. It's April in Texas. Today is cold. Tomorrow will probably be 80, 90. Today is cold. It say it's 51. 51. But I can't believe I went out by myself, you guys. I went out by myself. I did that. Hello, you guys. Rise and shine. I'm about to put these pink seats covers in the car. But should I? Okay, hold on. Little one. Wait, what is this for? It don't come with an instruction. These are the seats right here. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Wait. Oh, I do got it. Hold up. I think that's upside down. Maybe not. I don't know. Hold on. Chuck E. Cheese.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, my tables up.
Robot. Before I left my baby, I had did his hair and my baby had wasted cereal. But she's working. Look at this. I've been cleaning. Hold up. Turn the TV off. Look at this. I've been cleaning. Cleaned up my little thank you, thing. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Look at me in my bangs. How do I look? The bangs. Coming down below. Make the bangs look. So I think I'm about to do a tattoo on myself. It's gonna be really tiny, but Think about that, bitch. Think about you. I think I'm about to go live and do it. So if you're not subscribed, if you do subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified every time I go live or make a post or upload a video or anything. You do that. Do that. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Do that. Do that. But I think I'm about to do it. First real client is me. Yeah. You guys, I tatted myself. I'm gonna show y'all. Well, when I take this off, I'm gonna show y'all how I look. I'm not too shabby for my first human person, client person. All right. I'm dead.
I was wondering how they work.
I did. I said something about the jalapeno.
And so,
dang, ain't got no teaspoon. But for YouTube, listen. I make it rain like a shower beat. Yo, got my Andy cutting my feet across our green. Club girl, big king told. Look at that cover up. Like y'all. Look at that cover up. Look at that cover up, baby.
I gave that nigga my heart. He put on a bitch picture.
Oh Lord.
He don't want to be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. Don't save him. He don't want to be kept, don't keep him. He don't want the baby, then bitch, don't keep it. Oh.
Okay. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. He's in the heat. He's in the heat. He's sitting in the heat. He's in the heat. Hold up. He's in this heat. Hold up. Hold up. Dang, you should have drove.
Yeah, so you can film.
Because I can't concentrate.
I'll draw so you can film.
Wait! Wait! Oh, nah, she said you know everything.
Why would they do this?
No, keep it.
We could have just went out there.
Bruh! No, you know she needs a little slow. She don't watch my blog. She ain't gonna know I'm saying this. She don't know I'm saying she's slow.
Oh, you
Hey y'all. Hey, we here at a private bar. You guys, we are here. And this is what it's called in case we get killed. Oh Lord, I'm about to fall down. Can you see my private part? Oh Lord. Oh, shut up. Oh Lord. Hi. It's fine.
That's fine.
Oh, mine is hot. Oh.
He's got his own Instagram page.
Oh, you do? That's he's cool.
Mr. Peach Bottom.
Guys, I'm gonna talk real quick. Just don't press pause on the thing. Anyway, I was live. So if you was on my live, hey, I've been going live, so if you ain't following me on live, what you doing? Anyway, so I'm doing street tacos. It's Tuesday. I'm doing street tacos. I know I look a mess. I promise. I'm gonna get better. Doing street tacos this Tuesday. I got my meat, some steaks. I already cut them up. I cut them up and I put them back. I chopped my steaks up and I put them in this crock pot just so they can get some tenderness. Anyway, because don't nobody want no, you know, cheese steaks or, you know, ain't nobody finna be chewing on no meat like that for real. But anyway, I'm finna fry my tortillas and I'll show y'all the finished product when I'm done. Never knew what I was missing.
Plane to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I